folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
This video is a nice little short one. It's just to show you that you can cook anything in a solar cooker. We've done a roast chicken today and all vegetables. The chicken, we gave it 3 hours. It would have been ready in 2 if we wanted to. The good thing about a solar cooker, it just does not overcook. Whatever you do, it will not overcook.
Which is a good thing for me.
If you're doing something with like a pasta sauce or something, my advice would be, if you're going to leave it to cook almost all day, I would put more water in it so it does reduce, and then you still have a good amount of sauce left at the end. That is the only thing. You can't burn your meat, you can't burn anything really in them. So yeah, have a look. It's only a short one. We've done a, like I say, a roast chicken with garlic rubbed into the skin, and well, you see. I hope you enjoy. Take care. Catch you in a moment. Well, good morning, folks. This is our dinner. It's
chicken dinner.
Yeah, a chicken dinner. It is now 10:50. The temperature inside the solar cooker is about 125 at the moment. So we'll see how it looks in a couple of hours. We'll catch you then.
Yep. Peace.
Let's just put the lid on.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
And as you can see, I bought my teddy. Can you see? I bought my teddy. But I should have viewed.
There we go, folks. We'll see what it's like in a couple of hours once it gets up to temperature. Catch you in a bit. Okay, folks, it's 2:10. Chicken's cooked to perfection. Just leave it in a little bit longer just to brown off a bit. Then we'll put the vegetables in. It's took, well, less than 3 hours, all told. So that's it for now. We'll get the vegetables in and we'll show you it when it's all cooked and on the plates. Catch you in a bit. Well, it's time to check the vegetables.
You okay? Oh, sorry.
Well, they look cooked. So, take them in, drain them. Okay, do you want to film us draining them? Film that, you got it?
Wait a minute. Yeah. Shall I come round to the other side?
No, you're alright.
That looks nice.
Does rather, didn't it?
I have the ones without skin.
No potato. No potatoes.
What?
that enough for you, Carol?
Yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
What about you, Mel?
Fine.
Yours is the other leg at the back.
Yeah.
That enough?
Yeah.
I'll give you a few more vegetables.
That looks really nice, John.
It does, Grandad.
That ain't cost us anything in power.
Solar cookers are absolutely brilliant. I love mine.
I love yours. I love yours. I'm just happy because it gave me food.
Well, there you go, folks. Sorry about the no gravy, but we didn't bring any with us. So there's a full meal: chicken, potatoes, and 3 mixed veg, all cooked in the solar cooker at a cost of nothing. Well, if it tastes as nice as it looks, I'm going to be happy. There you go, folks. That's a perfect bit of chicken. The only thing that's left on the plate is the bones. That was a whole chicken. Nothing but bones left and a bit of gristle.
My compliments to the chef.
So it shows that you can cook anything you want in a solar cooker and be cooked perfect. There you go, folks. Nice little simple meal. Cost us bugger all to cook. All done by the son. You can do this in the UK even in March time. Carol's made bread and also roasted chickens in March and April. She's even done gammons in it. You can do everything from, like I say, a roast chicken to a vegetable curry or whatever else. So yeah, it's nice, simple, easy thing to use. And as you can see with what was left on the plate, the meat just fell away from the bones. There was no waste whatsoever. So that is it. As I said at the beginning, please like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. The kids, we've got them trained well. Here's Bella, her and oh, here comes Melanie. They've just done the dishes, didn't you?
Yeah. I'm okay.
What did you do?
I dried.
And I finished drying the glass ones, and I did the dishes.
That's it. Slave labour, you see. Sunshine, free food, well, free cooked food,
Free cuddles.
and
Free
slave labour to do
holiday.
the dishes. So, thanks for joining us. Catch you in the next video. So goodbye from me.
Goodbye from her.
Goodbye from her.
And goodbye from her.
Okay, take care, folks. Stay safe, and most of all,
Happy
travelling. Bye for now.
Bye. 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 Bye.